industry professionals and peers is essential for personal and career growth. Here are practical steps to accomplish this. Identify your goals, okay? Before reaching out, clarify what you hope to achieve. Are you looking for mentorship, job opportunities, or collaboration on projects? Having clear goals will guide you on your networking efforts. Utilize online platforms. Again, join professional networking sites like LinkedIn, where you can create a profile that highlights your skills and experiences. Engage with content relevant to your industry, join groups, and participate in discussions to increase your visibility. Attend industry events, participate in conferences, workshops, webinars, and trade shows. These events are great for meeting industry professionals. Make a plan to attend at least a few events each year and set goals for how many contacts you want to make. Join professional associations. Become a member of associations, members-only clubs related to your field. These organizations often provide networking events, resources, and forums for collaboration. Being part of a community can also enhance your credibility. And just as a bonus tip, you can also work at these places for free access. Engage on social media. Follow industry leaders and organizations on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Share your insights, comment on their posts, contribute to discussions. This can help build your connections organically. Also, volunteer or participate in projects. Offer your skills for volunteer projects or collaborate on initiatives within your community or organization. This not only allows you to work alongside professionals, but also demonstrates your commitment and expertise. Reach out directly. Don't hesitate to send personalized messages to professionals you admire. Introduce yourself, express your interest in their work, and ask if they would be open to a conversation over coffee or a virtual meeting. Be specific about what you hope to discuss. And also follow up. This is huge. After meeting someone, send a thank you note or a message to express your appreciation for their time. Keep the conversation going by sharing relevant articles or asking their opinion on industry trends, which can help you solidify the relationship. Create or be active in supportive communities like this one, the F.A.I.T.H Model Guide. Look for local meetups or online forums where professionals in your industry gather, okay? Engage actively and contribute to discussions, as this will help you build rapport with your peers. And be authentic and supportive. Approach networking with a genuine desire to connect rather than just seeking personal gain. Offer help when you can, share resources, and celebrate the successes of others. Authentic relationships often lead to more significant opportunities. And by following these steps, you can effectively connect with industry professionals and peers, fostering a supportive community that can lead to new opportunities and collaborative ventures. All right? All right.